Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix black screen or white screen on your Instagram. If you are facing black screen or white screen on Instagram, then I will show you how can you fix this issue. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open Play Store, and then you have to make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. So you have to open Play Store from here, and then you have to search for Instagram. So firstly you have to make sure that your Instagram is updated, and your Instagram is updated and still you are facing this type of problem. Then what you have to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to open apps, and from here you have to search for Instagram. Here it is. Here it is guys. So you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions, and after that what you need to do is just simply open storage and cache. You have to clear cache and clear storage, then go back from here. And let me tell you that when you clear storage, your drafts will be removed. So you have to save your drafts in your gallery, and then you have to clear all storage. And after that what you need to do is just simply force stop the app, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palms are like this there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall the Instagram, and then restart your phone, and then reinstall your Instagram, and then log in your account, and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palms are like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here. So you have to search for Instagram login. Here it is guys. So you have to tap on first one. So from here you have to log in your account in it, and when you log in your account in it, you don't see this type of problem in your Instagram, as you can see guys. Then you have to open your account for 15 or 20 minutes there, and then you have to tap on use the app, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like, leave, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.